How to use Canva for YouTube thumbnail. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails using Canva. A great thumbnail can significantly increase your video views. So let's get started. First, open the Canva app or website. If you haven't logged in yet, do that now, or create an account if you're new. Once you're in, click on the Create a Design at the top right corner and select YouTube thumbnail. This will open a new canvas with the correct dimensions. Canva offers a variety of pre-made templates for YouTube thumbnails. On the left sidebar, click on Templates and scroll through to find one that suits your video theme. Click on the template you like to add it to your canvas. Now, let's customize the template. Click on any text to edit it and add your video title or relevant information. You can change the font style, size, and color of the toolbar at the top to match your brand. Be sure to keep it bold and readable. To make your thumbnail more engaging, you can add images or graphics. Click on the Elements tab to search for icons, shapes, or illustrations. You can also upload your own images by clicking on Uploads. Drag and drop them onto your canvas and resize as needed. Make sure to adjust the color and layout for visual appeal. Click on the background to change its color and select any element to adjust its transparency. Ensure that the overall design is eye-catching but not really cluttered. Once you're happy with your design, review it for clarity and impact. And when ready, click on the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. Choose the PNG or JPEG format for the best quality and then click Download again. And that's it. You've created a stunning YouTube thumbnail using Canvas. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.